Welcome back, everyone. Claire here, the onboarding specialist at Quantum Algo Trading. In the previous lesson, we created our Tradesyncer account and selected the basic plan. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to connect your Lucid accounts through Tradovate and configure them for synchronized trading. If you're watching on your phone, rotate it horizontally so you can see the entire dashboard clearly. From the Tradesyncer home dashboard, select Connections from the menu on the left. The Connections page links Tradesyncer to the platform holding your prop firm accounts. Since this is a new setup, select Add Connection to begin. Tradesyncer supports several platforms including Rhythmic, Tradovate, NinjaTrader, DXFeed, Project X, and TradeC. Most Quantum members use Tradovate for their Lucid accounts, so select Tradovate. Tradesyncer will now ask for a connection name. Enter Lucid Quantum so your accounts are easy to identify. Next, choose between Demo and Live. Lucid evaluations and most Lucid funded accounts operate in Tradovate's simulated environment, so most members should select Demo. Only select Live if Lucid has specifically notified you that you have been moved into a Lucid Live brokerage account. After selecting the correct environment, click Continue. You will now be redirected to Tradovate's official authorization page. You do not need to create a separate Tradovate account for this step. Lucid has already created the platform login connected to your prop firm accounts. To find that login, return to your Lucid dashboard and locate the account you want to connect. Select Show Credentials beside the account. Lucid will display the platform username and password assigned to your accounts. Copy the username and password shown by Lucid, then return to the Tradovate authorization page and enter those credentials into the username and password fields. Do not use a separate personal Tradovate login, and do not select Google or Apple unless those are specifically the credentials Lucid instructed you to use. Once you log in using the credentials provided by Lucid, Tradovate will authorize the connection and automatically return you to Tradesyncer. The connection named Lucid Quantum should now appear with a green connected status. Tradesyncer will also locate the Lucid accounts associated with those credentials. The accounts have been found, but they still need to be enabled. Select Enable Accounts at the top of the screen. Tradesyncer will display each account, its current balance, and an Enable switch. Turn on the switch beside every account you intend to trade. You can select Enable All if you want every displayed account activated and your basic plan includes enough available account slots. Once the correct accounts are enabled, confirm that the total matches the number you intended to select. Next, we need to import the futures contract we plan to trade. Select Import Contracts in the upper right corner and import the active Micro E-mini NASDAQ contract. After it has been imported, the current MNQ contract will appear near the upper left corner of the cockpit. In this example, Tradesyncer displays MNQU6. Your contract code may be different because futures contracts change throughout the year. Simply confirm that the imported contract begins with MNQ and matches the active contract currently being used for quantum trading. Now we're ready to choose the leader account and followers. Select Set Leader Account in the center of the cockpit. The leader is the account where you will place and manage your original trades. Select the circle beside the account you want to use, remember its account number, and click Change Leader. Tradesyncer will return you to the cockpit, where the chosen account will now be marked with a gold crown. The remaining accounts will appear underneath with gray switches. Turn on the switch beside each account you want to follow the leader. Each switch will turn blue, and Tradesyncer will confirm that the account is now following the leader. A quantity of 1 means the follower will copy 1 contract for every 1 contract traded through the leader. Your Tradesyncer setup is now complete. There are also 2 important habits we want every Quantum member to follow. First, routinely open the Connections tab and confirm that Lucid Quantum still shows a green connected status. Tradesyncer occasionally performs updates, and a connection may sometimes need to be reauthorized. Checking this page before trading helps ensure that every account is connected and ready to receive copied trades. Second, keep the cockpit open during your trading session. The cockpit allows you to monitor your leader and follower accounts in one place. You can see how much each individual account is up or down, review the combined profit or loss across all of your accounts, check open positions, and confirm that the followers remain synchronized with the leader. Make checking connections and monitoring the cockpit part of your regular trading routine. If you found this lesson helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and continue following the Quantum Onboarding series as we help you build a simpler, more organized trading workflow. I'll see you in the next Quantum lesson.